7 years old. That's all you can get. Here it is, Mendoza Copper. Run right over you because they're looking at the paint or whatever. Yeah. He drinks Coke? Him? Of course. He drinks the same thing as me. He does smoke.
Did you bring your mop?
Huh?
Did you bring your mop?
No. Is that falling off? Which way to button it? You got it buttoned into the top?
No, I got a hat on them, but
You got a rubber band on them, but you fucked it all up, huh? Push the button on the
so now the race gas is like $11 a gallon, going up another $1. Because I was always using race gas and regular unleaded, not any of that. Ethanol.
We have 6 people who called. I'm good. How are you? Yeah.
Angel!
Hey, what's happening?
Oh, how you doing?
The legend is here.
I just saw you on Sunday.
Okay, well, I'm going to go back.
Yeah, it was at the. Oh, I saw your car on the picture because I always look at the picture. There are lots of videos of my car. Yeah. And Tony's. There's a whole lot of Mopars.
Yeah, and I don't get paid for it either.
There was,
I know!
There was that 73 Roadrunner, which was way down at the other end from us.
One time I came here,
This thing runs so much cooler now.
oh, we had to wait to get into that lot at 5 o'clock.
I mean, they're numbered for horses or for automatic.
Supposed to be good carburetors.